Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Hour. Today's story is full of color, feelings, and a brave little chameleon named Milo. But when Milo wakes up one morning, something very strange happens. Let's find out what it is. Milo's Missing Colors One Character Storytelling Script. Once upon a sunny morning, Milo the chameleon opened his eyes, stretched his little legs, and got ready to change into his favorite color, bright, leafy green. But when he looked down at himself, he froze. Milo had no colors at all. Not green, not blue, not even a tiny dot of pink. He looked like a plain, blank chameleon. Poor Milo felt worried and a little sad. How can I be me without my colors? He wondered. So Milo decided to go on a journey to find them. He climbed up a hill and came across a big, beautiful rainbow. Milo asked, "Rainbow, have you seen my colors?" But the rainbow simply shimmered and seemed to say, "Sometimes colors hide when you're feeling unsure." Milo took a deep breath and kept going. Next, Milo met a bright little butterfly fluttering among flowers. The butterfly seemed to whisper, "Try doing something that makes you happy. Colors love happiness." So Milo gently tickled a flower petal with his tail. And guess what? A tiny sparkle of yellow appeared on his cheek. Milo felt a little hopeful. He continued his journey and soon found himself in a colorful meadow where splashes of paint decorated the ground. While looking around, Milo slipped right into a puddle of red paint. Red splattered everywhere, and Milo started to giggle. And the more he laughed, the more colors returned. Blue shimmered on his back, orange twinkled on his tail, and green glowed across his belly. Milo suddenly understood. His colors were never really lost. They were just hiding when he felt scared and unsure. And when he felt brave, happy, and hopeful, his true colors came shining back. Milo walked home proudly, glowing in every color he had. And that's Milo's story. Friends, remember your feelings matter, and just like Milo, your colors shine brightest when you believe in yourself. Thanks for watching Kids Hour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more magical stories. See you next time.